Good evening, everybody. My name is Jake Killian. I play soccer here at Jesuit, and I'm honored to be the student body president for this school year. First of all, I would like to thank all of you and your families for making the time to come here tonight during your busy week. We really appreciate it. And about 4 years ago today, I vividly remember my dad telling me to get in the car for Jesuit open house, as he physically pulled me away from my Xbox while I was playing a game of Fortnite. As an 8th grader, I was a nervous little kid who was scared to go off to high school, thinking I would encounter the stereotypical high school experience of getting lost in a large sea of students who are struggling to find a connection. However, when I first stepped foot on campus in 2020, I would soon come to realize none of this was true. Here at Jesuit, I encountered an environment that was very welcoming and easy to adapt to, whether it was teachers, other students, clubs, etc. You might not realize it right now, but every kid sitting in this chapel is just as nervous as you are. So many of you are coming to Jesuit from different places and are going to encounter an environment that is nothing like your middle school. Sorry to break it to you, but there's no such thing as monkey bars, swing sets, or even recess here. Soon you will leave behind your middle school life and move into the Jesuit community, an environment ready to prepare you for college and beyond. One thing I had noticed almost immediately was the brotherhood aspect of this school. Nobody here is showing up to impress girls by making fun of each other to lift themselves up. It's a whole different dynamic. Everyone can be genuine, and you'll soon realize that the brotherhood that's present here is priceless. Being able to ask questions in class without being brought down or made fun of is something to cherish. Don't get me wrong, the lunch table can still be a fun place of making harmless jokes of each other, or even yourself. However, every year you embark on a grade-level retreat, and the normal day-to-day of poking fun at your friends at school turns into a brotherly and even an emotionally mature environment. On retreats, you can come to find out that the guy sitting next to you in math class or even a free period could be really struggling at home with a lost relative or some kind of vice that you want to be there for them. A personal story of mine regarding brotherhood would be my first time practicing with the varsity soccer team as a freshman. I was expecting the usual hazing that you would get from the upperclassmen. This, however, was nowhere to be found. When I made a mistake on the field, I was quickly welcomed with the, "Hey man, you're good, next play." And shocked by the immediate reassurance I received, I got up and kept playing. That experience has stuck with me ever since. It encourages me to do the same for the underclassmen right now. My Jesuit experience has been all I could have wanted and more. I'm so glad for all the opportunities and memories I've had at Jesuit, like winning presidency, playing soccer, and even watching our football team beat one of the biggest powerhouses in America and win the state championship. And it's all repeating itself now with my dad forcing my little brother, Luke Killian, here tonight to attend open house. Sorry, buddy. It's a very special thing being able to see my brother pick up exactly where I started at Jesuit. I'm sure him and all of you will have a great tour just as I did, and I can still remember how well my tour guide explained his experience at Jesuit and how articulate he was when my dad asked him literally every question you could think of. Right then and there, I knew I wanted to be a Jesuit student. I really hope you guys have an amazing open house, and I look forward to seeing you all on tour. Thank you.